Hey, budding artists! Are you ready for a magical art adventure today? Get set to create a stunning rainbow princess dress. Let's dive into a world of colors and imagination. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Pick up your trusty black marker and begin by sketching the upper part of the dress. Add the lower part. And don't forget the beautiful belt to tie it together. Now, let's add those special details. Draw 6 vertical lines on the lower part. And a lovely collar. Enhance the magic by adding 7 heart shapes. Picture the dress as a canvas. Draw a captivating rainbow with fluffy clouds right at the chest. Can you imagine how lovely it'll look?
Wow!
To make it all stand out, let's make those outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Watch the dress sparkle.
Cool!
It's coloring time. Get ready for a rainbow journey. As we color, let's name the hues. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Cream color. Red color. Pink color. Dark pink color. Ocean blue color. Fantastic work, creative minds! You've spun a masterpiece of colors and creativity. Keep exploring and drawing, there's no limit to your imagination. Until next time, happy drawing and keep shining bright! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.